my dear colleagues. Today I, Nargis Khan, and my friends are going to explain you about the anterior pituitary gland, the hormones secreted by them and their functions. Starting with the introduction, anterior pituitary gland. It is a portion or part of the pituitary gland situated in the hypothalamus. Anterior pituitary gland it weighs about 95% total weight of the pituitary gland. It is also known as adenohypophysis. The function of this gland is to secrete several hormones that regulate certain body activities. Now there are 5 types of cells in this gland which secrete several hormones which regulate the activity of the bodies. First cell is somatotrophs, which regulates human growth hormone responsible for the growth of the body and other metabolic activities of the body. Second cell is the lactotroph, which synthesizes prolactin, which initiates the milk regulation in mammary gland. Third cell is the corticotrophs, responsible for the synthesis of ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Fourth cell is thyrotroph, which secretes or synthesizes TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, which regulates the activity of thyroid gland. And the last cell is the gonadotroph, which releases two hormones, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone, responsible for the sexual reproduction of the body. Further,
luteinizing hormone, LH. In female, it stimulates estrogen from ovarian cells, ovulation from ovary, and formation of a corpus luteum. In male, it stimulates interstitial cell, that is Leydig cell of testes, to secrete male sex hormone, and that is aldosterone, which control development of
aldosterone. Aldosterone. इसमें
secondary sexual characters. Prolactin, lactogenic hormone, or PRL. It is peptide hormone. The hormone has following functions. It initiates and maintains the milk secretion. Actual ejection of milk by the mammary gland depends on the hormone called oxytocin, released from posterior pituitary.
oxytocin prepares breast for lactation. Prolactin causes actual milk secretion after delivery.
Together, secretion and ejection is known as lactation. Hypothalamus secretes both inhibitory and excitatory hormone to regulate PRL, that is prolactin. Growth hormone. Growth hormone HGH causes cells to grow and multiply, directly increasing the rate at which amino acid enter cell and used to synthesize protein. That is also can be said that decreases breakdown of protein. Due to this, it increases the growth of an individual. HGH stimulates fat catabolism, influences carbohydrate metabolism, decreases glucose utilization by cell, decreases glucose uptake by cell, accelerates the rate at which glycogen stored in the liver, it converts into glucose. This increases the amount of glucose in the blood, and HGH is also said an anti-insulin effect. Now further, Babita will continue. Abhishek will continue.
Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone, it is also called as thyroxine. It stimulates the synthesis and secretions of two hormones. Firstly, triiodothyronine, it is also called as T3, and thyroxine, it is also called as T4. Both produced by the thyroid glands. ये दोनों thyroid glands से produce होते हैं, and secretion is controlled by thyrotropin. Releasing hormone TRH, मतलब thyrotropin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus. Release of TRH depends on the blood level, TSH and T3, blood glucose level, body mechanism rate. Among other factors, operates according to a negative feedback system. Second, follicle stimulating hormone. In female, follicle stimulating hormone is transported by the anterior pituitary by the blood to the ovaries, where it initiates the development of egg containing follicles. Each one. Follicle stimulating hormones also stimulate the follicle cells to secrete estrogen. That is in female sex organ. In male, its function is sperm production in testes. Gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus stimulate FSH. FSH release suppressed by the estrogen in female and by the testosterone in males by negative feedback mechanism.
When there will be sufficient or increased concentration of hormones in the blood, this will give negative feedback to brain. This will give negative feedback to brain for stopping the secretion of hormone from the anterior or GPR.
Melanocyte stimulating hormone. This hormone is responsible for skin color and released by anterior pituitary glands. Increase skin pigmentation by stimulating the dispersion of melanin granules in melanocyte in
बेटा मैं बाद में तैयारी कर बेटा